After buying wardrobes, now you're not sure how to install them. In this video, we shall give you instructions of how to install your wardrobes. The basic hardwares are 3-in-1 hardwares: 4x16mm, 4x30mm, self-tapping screws, movable panel, support and the hinges. The basic tools are the hammer, electric screwdriver, cross screwdriver, glass glue, and as well as the glass can glue. Then we need to install the 3-in-1 hardware in the wardrobe side panels and the bottom panels. The holes are already drilled before leaving the factory. Assemble the panels and fasten them with the screws, and now the bottom of the wardrobe is done. Insert a small wooden plug and assemble it into the side panels, the bottom of the wardrobe and the back of the panel. Fasten them with screws. The wardrobe is big and there is some small panels behind the back panels to frame. By now, the first part of the wardrobe is done. The other parts are the same as the former steps. Install the hardware in the drawer panels. Assemble and fasten them with screws. Make a line according to the position of the holes in the wardrobes. Disconnect the slideway. The external part is installed on the wardrobe and the internal part is installed on the drawer side panel. Now we can put the drawers into the wardrobe with soft closing. Disconnect the hanger hardware. Find the correct location and install the hanger hardware. Put the hanger hardware in the lock and the hardware. The door is the last part. Use glue or screws to fasten the handles, then find the correct position to install the hinges. Use the hinge to connect the door and the casses. I'm pretty sure that after watching this video, you don't have to worry about assembling your wardrobes. That's it for today. Bye-bye.